Artificial intelligence, or AI, sounds complex, but at its core, it's about making machines smarter. Imagine teaching a computer to think and learn like humans do. That's what AI aims to achieve. Instead of being explicitly programmed for every task, AI systems can learn from experience, adapt to new information, and perform human-like tasks. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is rapidly transforming our world. This field encompasses various subfields, including machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI, each with unique capabilities and applications. In the following sections, we'll delve into these fascinating areas of AI, exploring their workings and real-world examples. Get ready to explore the exciting world of AI and its transformative potential. This image represents the transformative potential of AI in shaping our future. Machine learning, a vital subfield of AI, focuses on enabling computers to learn from data without explicit programming. Imagine showing a computer numerous pictures of cats and dogs, labeled accordingly. Through machine learning algorithms, the computer can learn to distinguish between the two animals based on patterns and features in the images. This learning process forms the basis of many AI applications we use daily. Machine learning algorithms excel at identifying patterns in vast datasets, making them invaluable for tasks like predicting customer behavior, detecting fraud, and even diagnosing diseases. The more data these algorithms process, the better they become at making accurate predictions. This flowchart visually explains how machine learning algorithms use data to learn and make predictions. Machine learning has become an integral part of our lives, powering numerous applications. Think about the last time you shopped online. Chances are, machine learning algorithms recommended products based on your browsing history. These algorithms analyze your past purchases and preferences to suggest items you might find interesting. Another prime example is spam filtering in your email. Machine learning models can identify and filter out spam messages by analyzing patterns in email content, sender information, and other factors. This helps keep our inboxes clean and protects us from malicious emails. Fraud detection is another critical area where machine learning shines. By analyzing transaction data for unusual patterns, machine learning algorithms can flag potentially fraudulent activities, protecting businesses and consumers from financial losses. This collage highlights the diverse range of applications where machine learning is making a tangible impact. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, takes inspiration from the human brain's structure and function. It uses artificial neural networks, complex interconnected layers of algorithms, to process and analyze information. These networks resemble the interconnected neurons in our brains, enabling deep learning models to learn complex patterns and representations. Deep learning has revolutionized areas like image recognition, natural language processing, and speech synthesis. Its ability to extract intricate features from raw data makes it ideal for tasks that require a deeper understanding of complex patterns. For instance, in image recognition, deep learning models can identify objects, faces, and even emotions within images with remarkable accuracy. This technology powers applications like self-driving cars, facial recognition systems, and medical image analysis. This image illustrates the basic structure of an artificial neural network, the foundation of deep learning. Section 5. Deep Learning in Action. From image recognition to language translation. Deep learning's impact extends far beyond image recognition. In natural language processing, deep learning powers machine translation services, chatbots, and sentiment analysis tools. By analyzing vast amounts of text and code, deep learning models can understand and generate human-like language with impressive fluency. One of the most impressive applications of deep learning in language translation is the ability to translate languages in real time. This technology breaks down language barriers, facilitating communication and understanding across cultures. Deep learning also plays a crucial role in speech recognition, powering virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. These assistants can understand our spoken commands, answer questions, and even control smart home devices, making our lives more convenient. This montage visually depicts the wide-ranging applications of deep learning across various domains. Generative AI, a fascinating area of AI, focuses on enabling machines to create new content, such as images, text, music, and even code. Unlike traditional AI systems that analyze existing data, generative AI models learn the underlying patterns and structures within data to generate entirely new and original outputs. Imagine a computer program that can compose music in the style of Mozart or paint a picture reminiscent of Van Gogh. Generative AI makes these feats of artificial creativity possible. By training on vast datasets of music, art, or code, generative AI models can learn the rules, styles, and aesthetics of human creativity and apply them to generate novel works. This technology has the potential to revolutionize various creative industries, from art and design to music and entertainment. Generative AI can assist artists, writers, and musicians in exploring new creative avenues and pushing the boundaries of human imagination. This visual comparison demonstrates the ability of generative AI to create realistic and imaginative images. Generative AI is making waves in various fields. In the art world, AI-powered tools can create stunning visuals, blurring the lines between human and machine creativity. Artists are experimenting with these tools to generate unique artworks and explore new forms of artistic expression. Beyond the realm of art, generative AI is proving invaluable in content creation. AI-powered writing assistants can help writers generate ideas, improve their writing style, and even create entire articles or stories. This technology is transforming how we create and consume written content. Moreover, generative AI is making its mark in software development. AI-powered code generators can assist programmers in writing code faster and more efficiently by suggesting code snippets, identifying errors, and even generating entire functions or modules. This collage showcases the diverse applications of generative AI across different industries. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's rapidly shaping our present and future. From healthcare and education to transportation and entertainment, AI is poised to revolutionize countless aspects of our lives. In healthcare, AI-powered diagnostic tools can analyze medical images with greater accuracy than humans, leading to earlier and more effective diagnoses. AI-powered educational platforms can personalize learning experiences, catering to individual student needs and learning styles. This personalized approach can enhance learning outcomes and make education more accessible and engaging. As AI technology advances, it's crucial to address ethical considerations and societal impacts. We must ensure that AI is developed and deployed responsibly, addressing potential biases and promoting fairness and inclusivity. This map visualizes the global reach and impact of AI, emphasizing its role in shaping our future. AI is not just a technological advancement, it's a transformative force with the potential to reshape our world. As AI continues to evolve, it presents both opportunities and challenges. By embracing AI's potential while addressing its ethical implications, we can harness its power to create a better future for all. From automating mundane tasks to solving complex global challenges, AI offers a glimpse into a future where machines augment human capabilities. By embracing lifelong learning and adapting to the evolving landscape of AI, we can navigate this exciting new era and shape a future where AI benefits humanity as a whole. This image encapsulates the potential of AI to empower humanity and create a brighter future.